Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Raf. So behind me we've got a lovely motorhome. This motorhome's actually travelled down to us all the way from Switzerland. He basically had a Xenic head unit in it which was looking rather outdated, so the owners decided to update it. So follow me in, I'll show you what we've done. So we've upgraded the whole system with a brilliant new Kenwood DMX9724. This is full Apple CarPlay, full Android Auto. It's a brilliant unit. It's a 10-inch screen, floating type screen. Looks fantastic in this van. The nice thing with this is you've also got the levels of the vehicle. So being a motorhome, this is really handy. So the owner knows just by looking at the screen if his van is actually level or not. It's got a clock on here. Also, if he's driving, he can press a button and flick to the camera. So you can actually watch the camera while he's driving as well, which is really handy. This screen's also got DAB, digital radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. He can also download the CGIC app if he wants, which will allow him full navigation based on the size of the vehicle. This vehicle actually doesn't have steering wheel controls, but if it did, we can incorporate all of that. We've also installed a switch where if he's parked up and sat in the back of the van, they can flick the switch and have the radio on without switching the ignition on. And that switches the actual battery power to the unit off the leisure battery, so it's not draining the engine battery. So yeah, fantastic unit. Comes with a 3-year warranty because we've installed it down here. Brilliant unit. If anybody's interested in something similar, drop us a shout. Thanks very much for watching, guys.